Marhaban, salamu alaikum Arabic language fans. In the previous video, in our series Pronouncing Arabic, we talked about three important letters, Jim, Ha, Ra. In this video, we will talk about the letter families, letters that are very well interconnected, like Ta, Ta, Sin, Sad, Kaf, Qaf, and so on. And in this video, we will concentrate on first two families. We'll concentrate on Ta and Ta, and also we will concentrate on Kaf and Qaf. So stay with me. Family of two letters, Ta and Ta. In phonetics, the pronunciation of these letters is called alveolar stop. Alveolar stop, meaning that the tip of the tongue is touching the ceiling of the mouth at the front section. So, this sound is produced by this pronunciation type, alveolar stop. And we have two letters. We have T, the Ta, like T in English, and we have the Ta, which doesn't have an equivalent letter in English, Ta. So let's start by the Ta. The Ta is very, very simple. It's like T in English. And if we want to say you in English, you say Anta in Arabic, Anta. So Ta, Anta, Anta. So this is very simple, exactly like the pronunciation in the English language in T, the T letter. And if we switch to the Ta, you can sense the difference. Ta, 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 Ta. Both are alveolar stop. Both have the same pronunciation, but the difference is that the Ta is more deep. It has more vibration of the tongue, and it has a raised tongue at the end section, and it's more deep. Ta, Ta. Even the mouth is having like an echo of the letter inside the mouth. Ta, Ta. We don't have this in English, but we have this in Arabic. Ta, Ta. Examples: for Ta, I said Anta. For Ta, we have, for example, request in English, yatlub, 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 request, the verb request, yatlub. So if you don't say yatlub, it's yatlub, Ta, Ta. So this is the difference between the Ta and Ta. Now we go to the second family. The second family is a family of two letters, Kaf and Qaf. Kaf, Qaf. You can sense the difference between these. Exactly like we said in the previous family, Kaf is like K in English. It's simply like K in English. For example, if we want to say ya'kul, to eat, ya'kul, yatakallam, to speak or to talk. So this is exactly like English. But if we switch to Qaf, you can sense the difference. First of all, the pronunciation of the Kaf is called a velar stop. Velar stop in phonetics. Velar stop. Velar stop means that there's the place in which the tongue, Kaf, in which the tongue is touching the mouth is different. It's toward the back of the mouth, in the ceiling of the mouth. So Kaf, Kaf. This area is called the velar. So it's a velar stop. But for the Qaf, the touching or the vibration may be starting at the beginning of the throat or at the back end of the mouth, back end of the ceiling of the mouth. So it's Qaf. It's Qaf. Like for example, if we want to say heart in English, heart is qalb, qalb, qalb. If we say kalb, it means a dog, kalb in Arabic. So qalb, heart. If we have kalb, it's a dog. So it's another meaning, it's another word. So you can sense the difference, qaf. So pay attention to the pronunciation in Arabic because this is very, very important. Pay attention to the way the letter is pronounced. Kaaf is not kaaf. Kaaf is not kaaf. You need to train yourself to pronounce the kaaf the right way. So kaaf is called an ovular stop in phonetics. Ovular stop. But kaaf is a velar stop. Ovular stop is the kaaf, which is a pronunciation that is more deepened and more toward the back of the mouth. So that was a quick overview about two important letter families in Arabic, the ta, ta, the kaf, qaf families, and we learned how to differentiate in pronunciation between the two letters. In the next video, we will continue with two other families, which are the sin and sad, and also with the dal and dad. So stay with me. I am really happy that you watched this video. And if you have any comments, don't forget to write me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share so that as many people as possible can benefit from this. Thanks a lot and see you in future videos.